All right, I'm going to start doing some mic comparisons to kind of give you an idea of, do you notice any difference? What do you like or don't like? And so this first video I'm doing this is going to be the Maono Wave T5, and it's got its microphones in its case. And then I've also got the Hollyland Lark M2. Right now I'm just using the iPhone's built-in microphone on the iPhone 17 Pro. So now I'm going to switch over to the Maono Wave T5. Okay, so now we've got the Maono Wave T5 that I'm talking. I've got noise cancellation on. Of course, there's lots of birds chirping. You might have heard a dog barking earlier when I wasn't using this microphone. And so now we're going to switch over to the Lark. Okay, so now we're using the Hollyland Lark M2, and so we'll see here if you notice any difference. And so I'm going to go ahead and go back to using the iPhone microphone by unplugging the adapter. All right, so we're back to just the regular iPhone microphone. What are your thoughts? Which one do you find sounds better?